Ever wondered what really happens inside a washing machine? Inside, there's a drum that spins your clothes around and around. The water and detergent mix together to remove dirt. Some machines even have tiny jets of water to scrub clothes perfectly. The motor makes the drum spin, and the pump drains the dirty water out. And if it's a modern washing machine, sensors make sure everything happens at just the right speed and temperature. So, every time you do laundry, it's actually tiny engineering magic at work, cleaning your clothes without you even seeing it. If you love hidden secrets of everyday things, subscribe to Inside All Things.